Hello my dear students, this is Akash HD. Welcome to the ASD physics classes. Hope so you all are doing really great. So students, in this video we are going to solve the question from the chapter Thermodynamics 11th asked in a NEET 2019 exam. Very basic question, let's go through it. So the question is the internal energy change in a system that has absorbed 2 calorie of heat, 2 kilocalorie of heat, and how much work is done, and done 500 joule of work. Okay, so remember that here if I talk about here the all this data and all, so how much heat has absorbed? 2 kilocalories. So remember that here when the system is absorbing the heat, we will take positive. If it is releasing the heat, we will take negative. So in this situation, heat absorbed how much here? It is given here 2 kilocalorie. Now see, this is kilocalorie, this is the joule. So this we have to convert into joule. So 2 kilocalorie means 2000 calorie. Okay, and here we can write here 2000 into 1 calorie means 4.2 joule. So 2000 into 4.2, when you will multiply here, it will come here 8400 joule. Okay, after that if we talk about here the next data, what is given here? Heat is done. See here please, that has absorbed 2 calorie of heat and done 500 joule of work. That means system has done the work. So whenever system has done the work, in that situation W will be positive. Or what I am telling you, if work is done by the system, it will be positive, because gases and all, it will expand, volume will increase. So in this situation, the work done will be positive. So work done by the system, it will expand, positive. Work done on the system, it will compress, negative. So here heat is done by the system when you will see the question. So here it will be how much here? Plus 500 joule. Okay. Now students, after that, see here we have to apply the first law of thermodynamics. There is the 3 laws of thermodynamics: 0th law, first law, second law. Okay, so I am applying here the first law of thermodynamics, and according to this, what we can tell here, this heat Q, this heat Q supplied is equal to delta U plus W. Q is the heat, delta U is the internal energy change, and W is the work done. So in this situation, when I will do delta U, it will come here Q minus W. Okay, so how much heat has absorbed? 8400 minus how much work is done by the system? Minus 500. Remember that here, both this should be in a same unit. Either both this should be in joule, or both this should be in a calorie, or both this should be in a kilocalorie, but the unit should be same. So 8400 joule minus 500 joule, it will become here 7900 joule here. Why I have converted into joule? Because options are there in a joule. So which option is correct here? You can see very well. The correct option is here option D. Can you see very well? Is it? So students, I hope so. This question based upon the first law of thermodynamics, and it is based upon the conservation of energy, is very clear to you. Keep studying, keep growing.